Start off by turning the tabs on the connection pieces to open. With the bases upside down, slide one of the connection pieces into one of the sides and turn each tab to the closed position. Repeat on the opposite side. Turn your base over and place it on the floor. Now grab your support poles, which you can find on the back of each base, and connect the bars together to create a pole. You will have 2 support poles for each base. Take one of the support poles and slide the metal end into the top hole of the base. Repeat this for the second support pole. Make sure the poles are fully inserted. With the support poles in place, unroll one side and attach the banner's top rail to the support pole's black connecting piece. Repeat this step for the other side. For the last step, take the support pole's connecting bridge and slide each end onto the top of the support poles. This will slide over the black pieces that hold each banner into place.